So, nandito kami ngayon sa ANU. Ayan ang tinatawag na ANU. So, titignan natin kung umaandar yung closing pump at saka yung kanyang mixer. Kasama kong ngayon si... Ano nga pala yung Facebook mo, kaibigan?
Oy, Darwin, Lamatis.
Jarvin Lagpagay, subscribe na kayo. Yan guys, nagdidibalas tayo, tapos meron tayong alarm sa ANU, yun o. Meron siyang alarm sa ANU. Yan, natitignan natin. Valve open, BEB28. Okay naman. So, tingnan natin bakit ito naka-alarm. Injection 1, injection 2. Dapat may value yan. Mga kaibigan, no? ANU alert. Naka-alarm dito, no? Nakalagay. Please check valve and pumps. Yun. Meron tayong alarm dito, mga kaibigan. I-close natin to. You know. Alarm. Cancel. Yun. Meron siyang alarm na water low. Yun. Kaya nagaganyan yan, mga kaibigan. Ayun yung kaibigan natin. Oh! Shout out! Yun, mga kaibigan. Bali, nilimas namin lahat yung tubig dito, mga kaibigan. Makapansin na doon. Ayun, oh, wala ng tubig. So, dahil wala ng tubig, kunti na lang, no? Yun ang flow switch natin, nasa ilalim. Nasa gilid. Ayun. Yung ating load sensor. Ayun, no? Alright. On. ANU source, on. Power on. Good. Have power 224 volts. And it was connected here on the 1 and 2. There. So I have power here. LOP TV4 1920 ANU power 1 and 2. So the power is coming from TV4 19 and 20 here. So as I reviewed the plan, I have here agitator on the left and agitator on the right, from which the power is taken of our RL1 here and RL2. These two have their own contact. RL1, R001, R002 for agitator left and right. The agitator motor has the capacitor and U1Z2, U1Z2 terminal. These are the agitator number 2 and the other one is agitator number 1. And also here I have quantity pump 1 and 2. This quantity pump 1 and 2 is known as our dosing pump. Taking the power on R11 and R12 with relay R11 R12. So we will take them here. Quantity 1, quantity 2 dosing pump. Yun ang aking kasama, maglilinis. Matagal lang hindi nagamit yung aming ANU. Yan ngayon ang aming i-maintenance ng aking partner. Yun, kita nyo mga guys. Yung chine-check din natin ngayon yung mga leak. Ayan o, may leak siya dito. Tapos yung solenoid para makapag-drain ka, kaibigan. Mayroong wire, ayun. Wala, may putol na wire. Baka siguro dahil kaya walang supply yung motor. Yan yung motor niya. Model 520 liter per minute, milliliter per minute siya, 8.24 gallon per hour. Yung ang voltahe niya ay 230 volts, 50-60 Hz. So ngayon dito may nakita tayo dito kakaibang wire. Yun, wire na nakarekta sa solenoid valve at wire na putol. Ayun, putol. Sabi, matagal lang di ginagamit ko. Ayan guys, the water inlet here automatically flow when the solenoid valve is activated and the water will go on our tank. And this tank have the what you call flow sensor. We have two flow sensor here. Flow sensor for tank 1 and flow sensor for tank 2. When the flow sensor detects that the water is below the limit values, let's say we have 105 liters, the pump solenoid valve will be deactivated. When it lows 60 liters low, this solenoid valve, when the water comes here, the solenoid valve will be activated. This is our tank number 2 and the other side is a tank number 1. As you can see, there is what you call mixer. This is a mixer motor L. made by Oriental Motor Company, made in Korea, with type 5GU1 2.5K. So this is having 90 watts with 200 to 230 volt supply, 50-60 Hz, with 0.8 up to 0.81 ampere, and having a capacitor of 6 microfarad inside. So this is my guy, Gary Cruzales. Yun. We are just cleaning the tank.
In the bulb,
Yun.
balance.
This yellow color, you must open this one.
Yellow color, I open this.
When you open, you can drink the water. Open?
No, now already open.
Why no running water?
I don't know.
Maybe the bulb is closed or stuck. So this is the bulb going to our pump. Not just closing this one. This must be open. This is
Ito yung
open.
difference inside.
Close. Dapat may tubig to. Patay ka.
Baka yan, baka.
Sir, yan, napakasipag po yan mga kaibigan. Yan po ang number 1 AB natin. Yan sir, Captain. Pwede naman natin i-promote to as AB. Yun. Kaibigan, gusto mo bang mag-AB?
Oo.
Bakit kailangan mo mag-AB? Ilan na ba yung anak mo?
Ito.
Ayun,
Victor.
meron na siyang anak mga kaibigan.
Ano?
Dalawa na ba yung baby mo? Yun, kaya mga gusto magsiman ha, ito ang tularan nyo. Deck man na naging engine man. Yun. Yung isang vlogger ito. Taga-video. Dana oh. Tapos talaga oh. Tapos dito sa loob ha. Yan, silver naman dyan sa loob. Silver. So in here I have two sets of solenoid valve. And as you can find, this solenoid valve is from the fresh water supply. And this will be activated once the water on the tank is detected that below water. Once the water here is below the desired level, okay, as detected by this flow sensor, level sensor here, okay. So this is the level sensor, and this valve is energized with a terminal connection of RO3 and 222. You can see here R003 T22 connected on this terminal box. This terminal box have R003 and common T22. Okay. And once the water inside is already at desired level, and we have to do what to call De-Ballasting, we can have a supply of R005 T22 here. So this is what we are going to clean this one. Water level ng ating ANU, 105 liters. So inside lang siya, madumi lang. Lilinisan natin yan. So dalawagan lang dito mga kaibigan. Tapos dito, yung lumaganan. Yun. Hilahin natin. Yeah. Kasama natin dito si Boss Ruben. Yun. Shout out mga kaibigan.
Shout out.
Mahalaga to. Ito kasi ano to, tube. Tapos meron siya ditong ting-ting. Yan. Okay. Yun. Guys, yung ating
Temperature
side glass ng ating ENU. Yun, nalinis na yung isa, no? Ito, malinis na. Ito, madumi. Yan. Ito yung aming Gary Cruzales.
Ako maglilinis ito.
Oh, hugasan mo na yan, kaibigan na.
Ay, dinidilaan to.
Uy! Wow, grabe. Malinis na. Ilalagay na natin, mga kaibigan, dito. Oh. Mahalaga yan, kaibigan, no? Pwedeng baluktutin. Yan. Pag nailagay nyo na doon, properly mount. So, meron siyang red. Okay, red. Yan, para makita natin yung tubig, no? So ito, no, yung ating linyada, tinanggal na natin dito. Lilinisan natin yung pipe. Napansin natin maluwag na to, kaya meron ditong leak. Hugasan natin ng tubig, mga kaibigan. Yun. So, hugasan natin ng tubig. Yun. Tanggal na, no? Guys, ito yung ating dosing pump, no, na nagbibigay ng sodium thiosulfate sa ating treated ballast water. bago siya itapon sa dagat. So ayaw niya mag-on, check natin yung loob. Yan yung supply niya, no? Yun. Okay. Pwede nyo itong hilain, mga kaibigan. Hila sa 5 and 6. Yun. Tapos ito rin, 1 and 2. 230 volts. R1O12. So, 5 and 6. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Okay. Linisan natin itong pump kasi matagal lang din nagamit ito, mga kaibigan. And here we slacken the screw and we are going to check this pump. Okay, this pump is very heavy, so tanggalin din natin to, mga kaibigan. Linisan natin dahil madumi na, matagal na siyang hindi nagamit. Okay, yung isa, yung pangalawa, tanggalin natin yung ito. Guys, ito yung motor natin. Huhugasan natin to kasi matagal lang hindi nagamit. Ayan, specs niya, no? Iwaki metering pump EH836BC. So capacity 520 liter ml per minute, 8.24 gallon per hour. Stroke 1 to 360. Tapos 95.5 psi, 0.7 psi. Voltage 230 volts. Yan. Matagal lang hindi kasi nagamit to, kaya dapat malinis natin ito, mga kaibigan. Hindi naman ng gripo dito. Palapasin mo lang yung tubig doon, ha? Ha? Dito. Tirahin mo ng tubig dito, palapasin mo yung tubig doon. Kaya kahit hangin. Ayos, tsaka ito. Uugasan yan ng ating kaibigan. Si Jerry Cortales. Papicture mo na. Oh, 1, 2, yun. Ayos. Oo. Tanggalin ko rin yung isa. Oh, ganyan yan. Yun. Ito yung base. Oh. So, dito, device. Ito yung suntok. Solenoid valve. Ang aking assistant, no? Siya ang naglilinis ng mga pipes and hoses. Yung inuugasan niya. Ito naman ay non-return valve, no? May spring sa loob. May ginagawa niya, kaibigan. Sinasabunan niya ng maigi. Kunin ko na to, kaibigan. Malinis na yung ating water pump. Iwawayarin ko muna to. Okay. Tirahin ko pa ng hangin, okay? Yun. Dosing pump, inlet, outlet. Supplyan natin ang voltahe to 230 volts. Yun. Papalitan natin to kasi merong leak. So guys, ito, no? Tanggalin natin to. Solenoid valve must be removed and I'm going to open the palawak na. Pati yung lagay ng solenoid valve, tanggal na rin, mga kaibigan. Ito, malambot, okay, tanggal. Okay, sa stock up. So, yun na, guys, no? Tanggalan natin isa. Ito, papalitan natin kasi meron na siyang leak. Yun, guys, tanggal na, no? Ngayon yung dulo, naluwag na. Yun. Tanggal na siya, oh. So, kaya may leak. Ayun. Bali, upload ng tubig. Mula rito, pag ganoon. Palitan ko yung tubig nito, parado na eh. Tanggalin mo muna daw. Oo, tanggalin mo. Oh, ang dumi. Ang ating mga pipes. Linisan natin yan, mga kaibigan. Sabat natin. Solenoid. So, in here is the wiring diagram of my motor. So, this terminal 1 and 2 is 230 volts, as you can see here. And then, on the terminal 5 and 8, there is 4 to 20 milliampere plus and minus. So there is 5 in current, positive, and 8 is the common. So also in 6 is the stop switch, and then 7 is the pulse switch. De-ballast, ibig sabihin, punta ka sa menu, no? Operation view, yun. De-ballast, yun. Pag de-ballast operation, nakita natin, no? Meron tayong pump common, okay, green. Pass 28, green. 41, okay. Then, ito yung flow meter natin. Mangyayari yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag na-fix na natin yung problema doon sa ating iin, yung kagana na yan. No? Yung mga pipes, complete natin ito mga kaibigan. Malinis na lahat, no? Yun. Ay, dami. Hindi na pala.
Pwede palitan.
Yun. Filter. Sa CLX to. CLX.
Solenoid ka, solenoid ka.
Ay, ito na, isang buo. Para lang hugas-hugas. Ayos pala to eh. So now, this is our ENU. And in here, it is newly painted. And we are going to put back all the accessories, the motors, and the pipes. So guys, ito, no? Para maiwasan natin ang leak. Lahat ng thread, lalagyan natin ng Teflon tape. Mga isa, no? Tapos dalawa. Mga 2.5 na ikot, pwede na yan, no? Yun. 2.5 na ikot, pwede na yan, makikibat. Yun. Para pala tayo leak. Okay. So, lalagyan din natin ng mga Teflon tape. Ayan, may Teflon tape na yan. Yun. Ayan. Yan. Yan. Yun, bali ito yung ating source galing sa tangke, no? Mula rito, pag binuksan mo to, punta rito yung sodium thiosulfate. Then, mag-activate yung solenoid valve. Then, mag-flow yung thiosulfate dito. Dadaan sa ating pump. Then, itong pump na to, siya naman na mag-i-inject ng thiosulfate papunta doon sa ating overboard valve. Ito yung ating motor pump, no? Dosing pump. So, meron ditong arrow. Ibig sabihin, dito yung supply, dito yung discharge. Okay? Dapat dyan, lalagyan natin ng Teflon tape para hindi magkaroon ng leak. Gagamitan natin ito. Punasan natin ito dahil meron siyang leak. Yun. Pasok natin dyan, mga kaibigan. Yun. Yun. Asok. Meron na siyang DCS ready start up the De-Ballasting operation. Okay? So, kapag meron yan tubig, no? Meron na tayo ready. Notice. Right in here is the check valve with spring. So, there is an arrow here. So, the flow will be coming from here, going down to dosage and give a sodium thiosulfate on our onboard water to do a De-Ballasting. So this spring is inside here, and I have here this mechanism, and this mechanism will put like this, and once the flow is made, this will play like this. It will move like this, and then it is covered by this adapter, and it was inserted with an o-ring like this. Okay, and aside from that, there is what you call non-return valve here. It is composed of two plastics, and it has this one with this one. So once you make disassembled and clean it, there is a rubber there, and there is a small ball, and this small ball will serve as your check valve. So you can put inside the ball, and then on top you can bring the rubber o-ring there, so you will be able to flow the water for only one direction. This This is the non-return valve. So once you put air on it, okay, it will flow. On other side, cannot be flow. Since the flow is from the top, like this, you can put this one like this. So it will flow from here, will goes here. This is our solenoid valve with a pressure of 0.4 kilogram per centimeter squared with supply voltage of 220 volts. And we are going to put this L adapter. Okay. To do this, you must need to put Teflon tape to eliminate some leakages. Okay, like this. So this is a new solenoid valve with a maker of Yushin Electric Company Ltd, and it has flow direction here. So very important for us to install it properly. The flow will come from here and it will goes out here. Okay, in here I have 2 to 5.8 volts, and I just put direct power cable on it to test and check this solenoid valve if it is activated and verify it's activated. On top, I have the level switch, and once the water is having a tank full, this must have giving a signal of water tank on left or right tank full. So that is a time for you to put sodium thiosulfate on it. And on the other side, I have this cable to detect this high level 1006, and this cable is giving a signal for water overflow. So normally this has a common wire 24 volts green wire. The black one is used for water level low sensor. Once detected that the water is below the level, the solenoid valve will be activated to fill the water on it. So as you can see here, this is the solenoid valve to fill water on your tank once the water gets below on a low level gauge. And this has about 105 liters. So in every 105 liters of water, we must need a total of 21 kilogram of sodium thiosulfate. So we prepare at least one bag, which is 25 kilograms. It is better for us to put it first on a bucket with a water and then mix it thoroughly before you can put and fill it on your auto neutralization unit water tank to make or de-ballasting water treatment. So by having this, you can easily fill it on a water tank. So with me is my very cooperative OS, and we fill a solution with fresh water mixed with sodium thiosulfate to treat the water while doing a de-ballasting operations. Make sure that your water level and mix of the sodium thiosulfate is enough. So guys, in here I have the power port TSU 220 volts switch on. ANU source I switch on, and then we are going to put it in normal. Okay, remote. And this is powering up RO08. I have here ANU alarm. Both tank not ready. Okay. Both tank not ready. SD is what? Normally on XGT made by LS, when this red lamp comes and there is alarm left tank full with SDT here, SDT meaning you must need to fill this with sodium thiosulfate. So for you to fill this one, you must need to perform the escape. Just press the escape, and then once you press the escape, you will able to perform the filling of the SDT on the tank left, okay? But here, once you push this escape, this HGT HMI panel not working, so we are going to order it. At the back, I have the sensors known as the level sensor for the water tank. So I have here sensor, sun sensor, and this has a common wire at the middle. This is the low water level sensor, and this is the tank full level sensor. And also, I have here two wire connected on a sensor installed here. This one, okay? This is the overflow. When this close, the overflow alarm will be activated. So this is the low water level sensor is responsible to operate the solenoid valve to fill water inside of the tank. And this is the solenoid valve, this one. The water coming here, the water coming here. Once it is activated, here the water will fill the tank. Okay? And here also on the right side. So once I connect this high level alarm, this must generate it. Here on the right tank, I have the sensor, this one. And this sensor also have the common green color wire. The black one is for low level water. Once triggered, the solenoid valve to fill the water on the tank is activated. And this high level is the one which gives a signal to generate the signal here. Lamp, right? With SDT. Okay. SDT, this one. And also here, tank left with SDT, meaning we need to fill sodium thiosulfate. So in order for me to make it ready, this color must be darkened for remote and become ready. But before it become ready, I need to press escape here. You see? But here, the escape button is not working. So in this case, it is not possible for us to use those output devices to fill the water on our tank. Output devices to operate this solenoid valve from which the signal are coming from R006, and this dosing pump from which the signal coming on the 006, and this is for the R0012, this one. So we do some corrective action on the PLC output relay, and this is the relay. So before the wire is come on other side, I just put it here. This is for the quantity pump rights. So I have here one relay. R006 is for the solenoid output, right? This one. So I have also this relay. And in order for me to put water in the solenoid valve, this one, I need to make close contact on R008 and R22 here. So I'm going to transfer the connection on other side, going on this side. I will switch off this one. So, but anyway, since this solenoid input right is working properly, I just put back this relay in. So this is automatically energized when the water level gets low. So this is the dosing pump. These are the wire inside. This is the source. This is a 420 milliampere. When we like to perform a de-ballasting and make a dosing on it, to our pump, even though the PLC output and the HMI panel is not working, we can start the breaker on. And then first, we must need to put the relay on our solenoid tank out. Remember, I just put this connection. Even this is not energized since I have put R22 with R06. It's a normally close contact inside. As you can see here. Once we put it on like this, you see, the solenoid valve here is already energized. You see it? And then I'm going to put power here by putting a relay on the right. This one, see? In this way, we can perform dosing on our de-ballasting unit. You see? You can increase the speed by increasing here, see, up to 360. Okay, as you can see, we are able to put a water or the chemical on our pump. Okay, in here we can perform what? You can stop by pressing this one. Stop. Okay, no problem. Start. Stop. No problem. For us to switch off the power, just switch off this one, the quantity pump, the power is off, and we can remove the solenoid here, the solenoid out here, Okay. The solenoid now hit, going in, power is de-energized. This is how we perform the emergency operation on our auto neutralization unit to work it and do a treatment while doing a de-ballasting. Even we are not having a fully operational automatic system on our programmable logic controller. So here we can do the input solenoid right. I'm going to put this one on other side. We can put here this portion. We can insert. In here we can screw. So this is my button now. To put button in here, going to open this valve a little bit. Once it is a little bit open, see? This one to energize the solenoid. See? By putting this one, see? This is energized. And we are able to put water in it. So this is our XGT HMI touchscreen panel made by the LS, and we confirmed and found this is defective, non-communicating with our programmable logic controllers. So we ordered it as urgent as possible, and we are awaiting it to be delivered on our ship. Once it is delivered, we are going to install it and make a test run on it. For today's vlog, I hope that you've gathered and get more understanding on our auto neutralization unit system, which is being used as a water treatment during a de-ballasting operation, from which a water before be discharged from our ballast tank outboard sea, the water must be treated. So guys, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel so we can help others
Dumalo sila dito sa aking barko. Yun, si
like to be
number 1.
an electrician, EPO.
Ang kaibigan namin. Dumalo sa
Thank you very much. Mabuhay kayo. Please stay safe, stay healthy, have faith in God, and always pray. This is my container ship vessels. We are now here at Algeria. So God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching. Yun, ito ang our support sa Algeria. Merry Christmas dyan. Ayun, sa paligid namin, no? Makikita nyo maraming cargoes. Yun, may barko doon sa aming bandang gilid, no? May makikita kayo doon na bulk carrier. Yun. Meron doon pulis na naglalakad. Kita nyo yung pulis. Ayun. Yun. Sa bandang likod, makikita nyo yung paligid. Yan. Ito yung ating BDR. No? Meron yung battery sa loob. Ito yung kanyang battery. Yan, no? Kita nyo yan. Yan ang kanyang battery. Voyage data recorder. Report to authorities when you open this one. Yun. Battery expiration 2025. Ito naman yung ating searchlight ISPS, no? Motorized ito. Yan. Meron tayo ditong VHF AIS antenna. Ito. At syempre meron din tayo ditong internet, no? Yan. Intel yan. Meron yan dome at may motorized tracker disc. Yan. Ayan yung ating tinatawag na Christmas city light. Mga signal light sa navigation. Yung nasa loob niya, yung tinatawag nating magnetic compass. Yan, no? Meron din dito yung tinatawag na antenna. At ito ay tinatawag nating coupler with transmitting aerial medium frequency at saka high frequency. Ito yung ginagamit ng ating GMDSS, no? Meron din tayo tinatawag na AM antenna, no? Amplitude modulation antenna, AM. Yan. Ginagamit yan sa mga radio communication. Meron din dito tinatawag na Naptex antenna. Yan, Naptex antenna. Yan, no? Pakaliit. Meron ditong VHF2 antenna, very high frequency. Ito. Meron tinatawag na GPS antenna, no? GPS antenna number 1. Gawa ng puruno. Yan, puruno. At doon sa taas, meron tayong nasa gitna, yung dome na yon. Yung dome na yon, yan yung TV antenna. Tayo doon tinatawag na X-band radar, yung maliit na radar, no? Tapos yung malaki, yun yung tinatawag nating S-band radar. Ayun. At sa pagitan ng dalawang gilid, Meron tayong SAT2 at saka SAT-C. SAT-C1, BHF number 1, SAT2, BHF number 2. Makikita nyo doon. Sa tuktok, ayan, no? SAT-C, BHF 2, SAT-C number 1, BHF number 1. At doon po, ating patutungayan yung ating crane. Patuloy sa pag-ooperate, no? May container doon. Ilalagay niya doon sa ating deck. Yan. Yun ang mga estiba, mga kaibigan, no? Ayan. Yun. Sakto, no? Yan ang buhay dito sa container ship. Yun, kapag delikado yan dahil pwede maipit yung kamay mo dyan, mga kaibigan. Pumasok na.